For this video, I am going to teach you how to find deleted issues in Jira. So just a disclaimer before we continue. So here, once an issue is deleted, it cannot be recovered through the standard interface as there is no recycle bin or undo feature for deleted issue. However, there are a few ways to track down information about deleted issues or identify when and by whom they were deleted. So first, what you need to do as a Jira admin, go to the Jira administration by clicking onto the gear icon in the top right corner, and then from the menu, what you need to do is to click onto the system option under the Jira settings. So once you are in the system, on the left-hand side of your screen, go into the audit log under the troubleshooting and support. So now, once you are in here or in here, you can filter for the deletion events. So the log will show which issues were deleted, who deleted them, and when the deletion occurred. So for example, right here, it says contain text. What you need to do, for example, is deleted issues. So I'm just going to click onto it, deleted issues, or you can just simply click or type in deleted, and then you'll be able to show the items that were deleted here on the edit log. So the edit log records important administrative activities, including issue deletion, but it won't contain the full details of that deleted issue. So that's basically it. That is how you can see deleted issues here in Jira. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.